Hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with again an interesting video of mensuration formula of a triangle. As I already explained in my last video that these formulas are for students and as well as for working professionals. With my Excel sheet, you can easily learn, understand, and get the calculations instantly. So without wasting time, let's go to the sheet. Here you can see a triangle shape. On the right side, basic formulas, area and perimeter. At the bottom left of the shape, you can see a blank box with S. And at the bottom right corner of the triangle shape, you can see blank boxes with sides A, B, C, and H. A triangle has 3 sides and a vertical segment H as shown in the figure. There are 2 basic formulas for the calculation of area. We can calculate area when base and height are given. And secondly, when all 3 sides A, B, and C are given. And one formula for calculation of perimeter. The sheet is very user-friendly. You just need to type the values given in your books and you will get the calculations instantly. For example, just watch while I type the values in blank boxes. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 8. C is equal to 10. H is equal to 9. You see the answers are instantly available. You can also download the sheet by clicking on the link given in the description. And please like, share and comment if you like and find the video useful. And please support me by subscribing to my channel. Till then, goodbye.